everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. Corrine here with a few yoga tips while you're slaving over the hot stove, cooking Thanksgiving dinner, and your back starts hurting. Oh, you've been standing up here so long. What are you going to do? Oh my gosh. If you don't have one of these soft cushion pads, you're definitely in trouble on top of it. So remember too, when you're standing here, not to just let the belly hang out and the tailbone flop forward. That's going to instantly give you a backache. So really try to be mindful and pull the pelvic floor in, tilting the pelvic floor forward, and then shoot the tailbone down. That'll automatically stabilize that lower half of your back and belly and pelvic floor, and it'll give you a little more relief in that low back area. Second thing you can do is grab some yoga balls. Whoo! Maybe take off those shoes and massage these feet. You know, you got a tennis ball, a dog toy ball, whatever is nice and firm, yet it gives you a little elasticity to press away is great. And then the last thing you could do is a little forward fold here. Maybe you bend the knees and forward fold and let everything hang out and let the spine realign back in place where it belongs. And then you just slowly shake it out. Bending the knees and pulling yourself up, shoulders come up last, and then you just reach up, reach high and stretch, backward bend. You can also do a little backward bend by putting your hands here, thumbs on the outside, and pressing the hips forward as you gaze on up to the ceiling. So a lot of little tips for this Thanksgiving to help you guys, all you wonderful little cooks for Thanksgiving that are just going to give us a wonderful dinner. Thank you so much for listening to my yoga tip. Happy Thanksgiving.